Welcome, my dear children. Myself, Jyoti Kokate. Today, we will be learning English from Standard 3rd. Topic for the day is lesson number 34, At the Bottom of the Ocean. Children, what is there under the sea? Yes, correct. There are turtles, frogs, fishes, crocodiles and crabs under the sea. Here is a picture of sea. Seas are smaller than oceans and are usually located where the land and ocean meet. Seas are generally larger than lakes and contain salt water. Do you know, children? The sea is very deep. There are many plants and animals. Some of them are very small. We cannot see them with our eyes. The sea provides substantial supplies of food for humans like fish, crabs and shells. Children, what do you see in this slide? Correct. You can see there are different types of fishes, colorful turtles and many strange attractive animals in the sea. Can you tell me, children, which is the largest fish in the sea? Yes, correct. Blue whale is the largest fish which lives in the sea. Children, we all know that there are different types of plants, trees on the land and there are many different types of plants in the sea too. Children, do you know what is a forest? Forest is a large area covered with trees. So, there are so many plants are seen in the sea and it's look like an underwater forest. Let's see what is an ocean. An ocean is a very big sea and if we go deep down in the sea, there is no sunlight and it is dark. What is meant by ocean floor? The bottom of the ocean is known as ocean floor. Children, there are natural land formations found on the earth. For example, mountain, desert, valley, plain, plateau and coast. We see different landforms like mountains, valley and plains on the land. Like land, the ocean floor is also not flat. We find different mountains, plains and also deep trenches in the ocean floor. Trenches means a long narrow ditch. When the top of a mountain rises out of ocean water, it forms an island. Island means a piece of land surrounded by water. Let's see meanings. Number 1, trenches. Long, deep, narrow holes at the bottom of the ocean. Number 2, island. A piece of land surrounded by water. Question 1. Children, you have to find out water bodies in the following puzzle. Here are the answers of different water bodies. Number 1, pond. Number 2, sea. Number 3, river. Number 4, lake. Number 5, ocean. Question 2. Write the opposites of number 1, deep, shallow. Number 2, dark, bright. Number 3, below, above. Number 4, strange, familiar. Now it's time for the homework. Question 1. Say whether the following statements are true or false. 1. The sea is very deep, and the answer is true. Number 2. The blue whale lives in the sea, and the answer is true. Number 3. The ocean floor is flat, and the answer is false. Number 4. Deep down in the ocean, there is no sunlight, and the answer is true. Question 2. Describe the following in one line each. A. An ocean. Answer. An ocean is a very big sea. B. Ocean floor. Answer. The bottom of the ocean is known as ocean floor. C. An island. Answer. An island is a mountain top that rises out of ocean water. Thank you, my dear children.